Shandong Baiyi Intelligent Equipment Co., Limited is a leading manufacturer in high-end special equipment in China, specializing in cleaning equipment and sanitation vehicles, integrating research, development, production, sales, and service. With more than 38 members R&D team and possessing over 10 years of industry experience, we operate over 130,000 squares R&D and production bases, which equipped with multiple standardized production lines. We have strict product quality control processes and has CE, and ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, etc. international certifications. 8 major product series cover more than 60 models, including industrial sweepers, floor scrubbers, EV road sweepers, EV garbage compactors, EV garbage transport trucks, EV leaf collection trucks, high-pressure washing trucks, and water tankers. The application scenarios cover urban main roads, back streets and alleys, parks, airports, stations, schools, hospitals, private estates, factory workshops, and both outdoor and indoor environments. The products are sold to over 50 countries worldwide, serving over 100,000 customers, and with a comprehensive 7x to 4-hour after-sales service system. Cleaning Equipment Series. The Industrial Sweeper Series by S11, S12, S15, S18, S19, S20 features high-efficiency roller brushes combined with side brushes, integrated with advanced international debris-throwing technology. It easily handles dust, sand, and complex debris. Sweeping width ranges from 1,200 to 2,000 millimeters, with efficiency up to 7,500 to 20,000 square meters per hour. Equipped with a powerful fan, drum-type filter, and atomized spraying system for effective dust suppression and noise reduction. Improving air quality. Robust metal frame with electrophoretic anti-corrosion treatment. Core components are sourced from top-tier brands, ensuring reliability. Easy to operate and suitable for various industrial and commercial cleaning scenarios. This scrubber series, covering both walk-behind and ride-on types, integrates powerful scrubbing and efficient recovery systems, achieving instant cleaning and drying to boost productivity. Fitted with high-performance lithium batteries for lasting endurance and brushless AC motors for powerful driving. Suitable for all float cleaning tasks. The vehicle control system is designed to passenger car standards for safety and stability. Alloy and aluminum components ensure a sturdy, reliable structure. Imported pay water tanks are corrosion-resistant and color-fast, with backflow prevention and full tank protection, providing a safer, more stable, and professional cleaning solution. Pure Electric Sanitation Vehicle Series. The Pure Electric Sweeper and Washer is a highly efficient sanitation vehicle that integrates road sweeping, super strong road cleaning, curbstone facade cleaning, garbage and sewage recycling, and high-pressure washing. Includes multiple models BYCS 60, BYCS 2000, BYCS 3100, BYCS 4500, BYCS 12000, BYCS 18,000, etc. With a cleaning and sweeping width ranging from 1.35 to 3.5 meters, it is adaptable to a wide variety of operating environments. This section nozzle features a built-in high-pressure system that delivers powerful washing pressure, effectively removing stubborn contaminants such as mud, oil stains, and accumulated dust from road surfaces. The high-power fan cooperates with the optimized airflow system, has strong absorption capacity, and can easily deal with heavy dust accumulation, wet garbage, and fine particles. The road cleaning rate is over 97%. Supports switching between washing and spraying sweep modes to rationally allocate energy consumption. Equipped with a handheld high-pressure water gun, it can easily handle the cleaning of sidewalks, green belts, corners, and other detailed areas. The trash can has a built-in automatic cleaning system, making daily maintenance more easier. It is equipped with a high-voltage fast-charging system and a well-known brand battery for longer battery life. The key components of the vehicle are adopted by well-known worldwide brands, and the metal structural parts adopt electrophoresis anti-corrosion technology, which is durable and comprehensively improves the operating efficiency and service life. The pure electric sweepers by S50, by JS 1800 and by JS 1450 are vacuums, sweeping models that adopt a combination of multi-sided brushes and rear suction ports. They have strong suction power and efficient cleaning capabilities with a cleaning rate of over 95%. The vehicle is equipped with a large capacity garbage bin, which effectively extends the operation time, reduces the frequency of dumping, and significantly improves operation efficiency. Equipped with a precise water spray as suppression system and a 3D water filter dustbin, dual dust control improves the air quality in the working environment. It is also equipped with a robotic arm and an automatic hose reel and a handheld high-pressure water gun, which can flexibly handle corner areas and stubborn stains, realize simultaneous manual flushing and mechanical cleaning, and greatly improve the refinement and convenience of sanitation operations. The BYS-5 mechanical sweeper features an integrated design with 4 side brushes, 4 main brushes, and a dual filter system, providing a sweeping width of up to 2.1 meters. It is also equipped with a high-pressure system that supports high-pressure guns to efficiently flush garbage bins, road signs, heavily polluted roads, etc., comprehensively improving cleaning efficiency. The cleaning rate exceeds 95%. Equipped with a 2-for-OL trash can for easy replacement. The vehicle is equipped with high-performance batteries, motors, electronic control systems, and electrophoretic anti-corrosion metal structures, suitable for high-frequency operations in multiple scenarios, with quiet operation, stable operation, durability, and reliability. The Baiyi S8001, Baiyi 8000, Baiyi S12001, Baiyi S12000, and Baiyi S18000 series of pure electric garbage compactors are specifically engineered for the collection and transport of bagged, loose, and bin-stored domestic waste, compatible with 120L, 240L, 660L, and 1200L waste bins. These vehicles are designed to meet diverse waste removal requirements across a wide range of operational scenarios. It adopts low-level loading design and sealed compression system to achieve efficient cleaning and transportation and eliminate dripping. The vehicle is equipped with a new energy heavy-duty chassis featuring a high-performance 3 electric system battery, motor, and controller, hydraulic system, and fast-charging capability, delivering robust power and rapid energy replenishment. The garbage bin is constructed with high-strength weathering steel, ensuring corrosion resistance and long-term durability. The synchronized operation of the compression and loading systems significantly enhances transfer efficiency, making it a high-performance solution for urban waste collection and transportation. The Pure Electric Hook Arm Truck is a detachable body garbage truck independently developed and designed by our company to interface with the bins of integrated waste compactors and horizontal split-type transfer stations. Its critical components utilize high-strength precision castings, thereby enhancing safety and extending service life. The chassis features robust power and substantial load-bearing capacity, being fully electric. It is also highly environmentally friendly. Pure Electric Garbage Collection Trucks by LH2000, LC2000, and LT2000 LF30. With a width of only 1.3 meters, these compact trucks offer excellent maneuverability, easily navigating roadblocks and narrow streets for garbage collection. They are widely used in narrow urban streets, communities, scenic spots, parks, properties, and plazas. They operate quietly, minimizing disruption to residents. They are easy to operate and quick to learn. All models support fast charging and are equipped with air conditioners, enhancing driving comfort and making them ideal for short, High-frequency urban operations. The garbage collection truck series encompasses rear loading, side loading, manual loading, and 8-bin transport models, covering refuse collection and transport requirements across a wide range of scenarios. Notably, the manual loading garbage trucks are specifically designed for the precise collection and transfer of bagged waste, enabling highly efficient refuse disposal operations. The 4-wheel models utilize a self-developed manganese steel, coal-driveted light truck chassis with reinforced front and rear axles, paired with the high-performance 3-electric system, ensuring exceptional load-bearing capacity and operational stability. The 3-wheel models offer optional chassis from renowned brands like Zhongshan and Wujiang, guaranteeing reliable performance and hassle-free after-sales service. All bins are made of stainless steel or carbon steel with corrosion-resistant properties, complemented by full vehicle electrophoresis, anti-rust treatment, and fully welded sealing. The rear loading models support high-position lifting and unloading, enabling seamless integration with compaction vehicles. Equipped with wireless remote control and an operation panel, they achieve highly efficient and user-friendly waste handling. The all-electric multifunctional leaf collection vehicles by T50. BYT 4500 boasts strong load capacity and comes standard with a high-voltage fast charging system, significantly reducing charging time. The 3-electric system adopts components from top-tier domestic brands, ensuring stable and reliable quality. As China's first manufacturer to independently develop small, medium, and large-scale leaf collection equipment, our products benefit from 7 years of technical expertise and 6 generations of upgrades, resulting in highly efficient and robust solutions. Equipped with leaf crushing, compression, and powerful suction functions, it rapidly collects piled leaves, small branches, and debris. The integrated dust removal and filtration system minimizes airborne particles, while its large internal storage capacity ensures extended operation. A handheld suction tube and rotating mechanical arm enable easy cleaning of hard-to-reach areas like green belts and flower beds. During non-leaf fall seasons, it serves dual purposes as a sweeping vehicle and high-pressure cleaning truck. Leaf Suction Machine by T2 features a high-efficiency suction disc and extendable suction tube, swiftly collecting leaves from road surfaces, green belts, lawns, and other tight spaces. With a compact design and agile maneuverability, they are ideal for narrow roads in landscaped areas, residential properties, scenic spots, and industrial zones, effortlessly meeting high-frequency autumn cleaning demands. The high-pressure cleaning series comprises a range of cost-effective sanitation products featuring high-pressure cleaning equipment, mounted on electric tricycles or 4-wheeled vehicles. Capable of performing mobile high-pressure cleaning operations, these units offer distinct advantages over traditional high-pressure washers, including superior maneuverability, high operational efficiency, and extended-range cleaning capabilities. Each vehicle is equipped with an onboard water tank. Depending on the specific model, storage capacities range from 500L, 700L, 1000L, and 1500L up to 2000L. These units are powered by imported high-pressure pumps, available in 200 bar, 210 bar, and 280 bar configurations to perform road cleaning tasks through high-pressure washing, characterized by their high-pressure output, ease of mobility, and multifunctional versatility. These high-pressure cleaning vehicles offer significantly higher efficiency and deliver superior cleaning results compared to manual cleaning methods. They are widely applicable across various scenarios, including the cleaning of urban roads, sidewalks, public squares including marble surfaces, building facades, public amenities, and waste bins. They are also effective for removing wall-mounted advertisements, eliminating ground-level oil stains, and cleaning residential areas. Furthermore, to meet specific client requirements, we have developed a high-temperature, high-pressure cleaning vehicle model. In hot water mode, this unit can rapidly heat water temperatures up to 90 C, allowing for the effortless removal of ground-level oil stains and stubborn grime using hot water. Electric water sprinklers are available in both 3-wheeled and 4-wheeled configurations. Equipped with batteries from famous Chinese brands, they're eco-friendly and deliver stable power. Widely utilized for road watering, dust suppression via spraying, landscape irrigation, and emergency firefighting. These vehicles are adaptable to a wide range of scenarios and ensure highly efficient operations. Among these models, the 25-ton pure electric sprinkler truck features a powerful drivetrain with a total water tank capacity of 14.9 meters cubed and an effective capacity of 14.2 meters cubed. The large tank volume ensures an operational duration of up to 8 hours. The vehicle is equipped with a comprehensive array of spraying mechanisms, including dual front depthful nozzles, rear-facing wash nozzles, rear sprinklers, a high-pressure water cannon, and a low-pressure washing system, making it ideally suited for flushing and watering operations in large-scale venues such. Electric fire trucks are available in 2 models, the 4-wheel BYXF 1500 and the 3-wheel BYXF 07. Integrating fire suppression, flood drainage, general watering, and landscaping spraying capabilities. These versatile vehicles serve as an ideal choice for emergency fire response in industrial parks, factory complexes, residential communities, etc. The MC16 and MC205 low-speed electric cargo chassis are carefully designed by our company, equipped with advanced batteries, controllers, and motor systems to ensure stable performance and safe operation. In sanitation work, the chassis can be equipped with water tanks and high-pressure washers for cleaning and spraying, meeting urban hygiene needs. In logistics, it supports multiple cargo box configurations including closed, flatbed, or high-sided boxes to flexibly meet diverse transportation requirements. The frame is made of high-strength manganese steel using light truck joining techniques and electrophoretic coatings, offering excellent load capacity and durability for all cargo needs. The cab features panoramic glass for a wide field of view and comes with pre-installed slots for optional heating and cooling air conditioners to enhance driver comfort.